One of the things that we need to take care of are these horrible looking bushes. They need to come down. Right behind these bushes, for one, they're blocking the sun. Two, they're just climbing features for the kudzu. You see all the dead kudzu right there, and just make it more airy. And they're just not. I have no idea why they were planted there. Maybe for erosion control for this little hill. I'll figure that part out later. But as you can see, horrible looking vines. They just creep all over them. So here for the next couple of weeks, the intent is to cut them down as low as possible, throw them over the retaining wall, let it dry, and burn them little by little. Note to anyone thinking about planting some bushes along a hill, don't do it. The kudzu, these vines, they will find a way to grow over, grow in between, underneath, everywhere. I'm removing all this here obviously because it looks pretty bad, but also it just keeps the house even shadier. So trying to expose all this, clear it out so that the house could get some nice sun, more sun. Sorry for the shakiness, but I just whipped up my phone right now just to record this, to capture the moment, and my hands are shaking. So yeah, don't do it, please. Just don't do it. Yeah, it's starting to look a whole lot better. Still have all those on this side to finish up, and again all those are covered up with the kudzu as well. You can see them more on the other side. Quite windy out here today, mid-January 2023, but it's actually sunny, so it's not that bad. Alright, so I just spent a couple more hours working on the side of the house, removing all these brushes that have been there. Whew, still got quite a bit to do. We're looking much better. All this was pretty much from here on back was full of those stupid bushes, and then in between you had that stupid kudzu. So I said it before and I'll say it one more time just in case you skip through this part. Please don't do this. Please don't plant bushes by the side of the house, especially where kudzu, these vines can grow, because they just get in between, and there's no way to control those weeds. And the only way to kill them is to actually cut them, remove them from the roots. Okay, just in case I have not said this enough. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make a video about kudzu, specifically about kudzu. But this is some evil stuff. These are the roots, and this is just part of the roots because they tore out. To kill it, you have to get it out by the crown like that, and then it has these extensions that just keeps on growing and growing. So each of these extensions right here, it'll start rooting right there. Less than 12 inches. Again and again and again. See, you see the little roots coming out, and they would just keep going and going. Or they'll find something to climb onto, like those bushes. Right in between those bushes, I just saw one. There's like super tight one that's going all. It just got wrapped around that bush. I don't know if you can see it right there, but yeah, that's everywhere. I still gotta tackle all of this, and right now it's dormant. It's not dead. The leaves are dead, but the vine itself is not dead. That sucker is not dead. It is just dormant. This yard right here, this yard was full. It looked like a big trampoline full of kudzu when we first bought this place. So I guess the point of this video here is that if you come across an Akiya or a house, usually it'd be an Akiya because it's been vacant for for a little while, and this is what happens when they stay unattended, is that you're probably going to have this. And if you do have this, you have to consider. I mean, I have absolutely no regrets about this house, but if you are not willing to do the work, don't just move on, find somewhere else, or pay someone to do it. That's what we just spent a good 3-4 hours cleaning up on this side. Pretty much cleared out this pathway here, so now we can walk. Didn't even realize how easy it was to get back to the backyard from the other side of the house. Yeah, still gotta work this side. And then it kind of dawned on me that that dry kudzu there is a freaking fire hazard. So it's just a matter of one stray spark or something and set that off. But I probably have another weekend or two, and then that should be cleared. And then guess what? The growing season will begin. The cycle will begin all over. But, actually, I don't think we've ever been able to show a view from this side of the house. So this right here will be our bedroom. Upstairs, that's the craft room. Right here, we are going to expand the house a little bit and build a laundry room, specifically for the laundry, not the typical laundry room in the sink area like you normally do here in Japan. And then Hi folks. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that little bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Sorry for the background noise as the workers are doing construction here on our vacant house, Akiya Renovation. I have been spending several weeks or more than a month cleaning up this side of the house right here, so much better. A lot more to tackle. I'll be working on the Japanese garden here soon, so please stay tuned. They will be in this area right here, but it is early spring and I just noticed, look at this beautiful maple tree. It's turning really nice. And just a little quick update on the house. So the wood floors are being installed right now as we speak. The windows have been installed, double pane windows, and they have rows and rows of insulation in there ready to be installed as well. So that probably should be coming up very shortly. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and please follow us along. Thanks. Bye.